What's up, guys? It's Legend. It's the bottom end. That's the real question. Um, that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to prep for this week. What I'm expecting, what the graphs are showing, I'm going to show you so you can use these graphs. Just screenshot them, keep them in, your thoughts throughout the week. Uh, we're going to talk about, say, what happens if the market does bounce, what I expect. And we're going to talk about how it will affect Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, and let's talk about the VIX and the dollar. This is all you need really for the next week coming up. We're going to talk about it and I'm going to explain it. All right, let's start with the first chart that you will be going off of, the SP 500 60-minute chart. This is what I'm talking about for the fifth leg lower. Now, what's really making me question about, so like the photo that's circling the internet right now, the hot topic is the 2008 crash. We're at 91% of correlation of it. So pretty much people are scared. The VIX is super high still, and a lot of people are looking for that level, that dollar amount of 45 for the VIX. That's more extreme fear. And if that happens, yeah, this fifth leg could be a lot lower than all the other legs that have been happening. But let's talk about the fifth leg. There's a lot of people that can't read charts. All right, so this is the fifth leg. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what we're talking about, the fifth leg lower. The reason why we're talking about it is because, these pretty much match up. If you could cut this in half, you could probably overlay it with this and it would look exactly the same. So like I said, history repeats itself. All right, so let's jump into another chart. Let's talk about that. The dollar. That's why I'm honestly in SQQQ. If this fifth leg could happen, which I think it will, if it doesn't, it's like okay, so the dollar has been going into the support right here, right? The dollar, when it goes up, the market goes down. When this goes down, the market goes up, okay? So that's how you have to look at it. It's in between the support, right? For this week coming up, it's still halfway. We still have room where it could hit easily, probably like 116. If it hits around 116, I'm going to start looking for a bottom or close to the bottom before this starts to drop. Eventually, this is going to give out. And that's where you're going to get this big rally that's going to come up. Midterm elections, we have this huge rally usually right before the midterm elections. Everyone gets in the market. We'll have a rally to January. That's what we're hoping for. But right now, we're halfway through the dollar, so we need to be careful throughout the week, right? If you do Bitcoin, also Bitcoin, if we do get this drop, remember, like I said in my last videos, the dollar is controlled by the market. Bitcoin is controlled by the market. What I'm saying is, when the market goes down, this goes down. Let's say if the market does make new lows. We honestly been bouncing around support around 17. If this breaks below 17.5, get ready. We're probably going to hit 15 on this fifth leg lower in the market if that does happen. If that does, it's going to send Mara down, which is a crypto company stock, and a couple others. So that's why you need to be careful about Bitcoin. If the market does recover, jump into Bitcoin. Not financial advice, but jump into Bitcoin and you should start seeing a huge relief rally. If this market does recover, Bitcoin will go back up to 30K. I'm not kidding. It will jump up to 30K so fast you probably won't even be able to put your money in from the bank. All right, VIX. VIX is still hitting like extreme fears, but we're still looking for that extreme fear, right? That's what we want if we're looking for a bottom. So throughout the years, like say, let's go to 2008, right? So here's 2008. You see this extreme fear? This is extreme fear. See, you could easily place the line right here and use this as 47 as your fear. This is extreme fear. This is what you need to keep an eye out for the VIX. Now, if we don't break it, then we're going to make a fifth leg lower and probably ride it out. And then when we eventually get the extreme fear, we'll probably, bottom out, and then we'll start getting our bull run, hopefully. All right, VIX, if we do drop, or sorry, QQQQ, if we do drop for this fifth lower, like in the leg, expect probably, I would say QQQ hitting like 240s, 250s. That's what you need to look out for. Remember, if QQQ drops, SQQ will go up. And that trade we placed Friday on video that I showed you I did, yeah, that's going to play out very nicely. I could see easily SQQQ going up to like 75 bucks if this fifth leg drop in the market happens. Now, TQQQ, if we do get the fifth leg dropping, we'll probably hit around $15, $16. Awesome buy. If you can get into around that price, I would definitely hold that until we start rallying. Apple, if we start getting a leg lower on the NAS, probably fit, the fifth leg lower, we'll probably hit around probably 130. Tesla, still holding support, having a lot of buying pressure. I would probably say we would match up to 180 if we get the fifth leg lower in the NAS. Amazon, if we got the fifth leg lower, I would probably look around $92. Google, if we got the fifth leg lower, I'd probably look at around $92. If you do crypto trading stocks like I do on the side, like Riot, Farms, Hive, and Mara, now listen, you need to pay attention. I'm telling you, if you miss the bottom and we start to rally, these stocks will blow up because Bitcoin will blow up. I'm telling you, so pay attention if we start to rally. Look for that bottom. Mars still looking at a bottom of $8. I would put my money on. Not financial advice. I hate that. I need to put a disclaimer. But yeah, honestly, if we get that fifth leg lower, we'll probably hit around $8. We probably won't hit June lows on around 5, but yeah. Remember last time when we had the bull rally? Yeah, $5 to $18. That was nuts. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for this week. This fifth leg lower. If we don't, then I'm probably just going to buy TQQQ and hold and just wait. Because eventually, we're going to recover. If you buy TQQQ down here, I guarantee that being $18 a stock, and if we rally up to here, we'll cash out at 70 bucks. So, yeah, pay attention. I did post a Discord. If you want to come in and ask questions or judgment or what you should do, if you want help as a new trader, come join the Discord. Thanks, guys. I put a lot of time in that. If you could sub, like, and help a single father out, this takes a lot of work. Thanks, guys.